In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sync HubSpot tasks to Google Calendar. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your settings or gear icon. Once you're in there, it will load the actual settings for your actual HubSpot. With this, we just need to go over to the integrations typically listed below. So if you can find it, you can head over and then just search for it right here under the search bar as well. So click onto this and search for integrations. Click onto this integrations. Once you find your integrations right here, click on Connected Apps. With this, you can locate if your Google account is already connected or not yet. So for this case, just wait for this. And you can see that our Google Calendar is already created. Once it's been connected, you can head over to the CRM and then locate the option called Task. So click on this, head over and create a task right here. And then just name the task. Like for example, let's enter it here, create PPT, add as a task type, input right here the priority, the associated records. You can click on this, as well as the queue for this, the reminder, and the notes. So just head over and create the task and enable Google Calendar Sync for this actual task and choose which type to sync and save this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. And if you don't have HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.